In our previous videos, you saw us cut down all the dying trees around our cabin, and then we moved them using our grapple to the other side of our clearing. But there's still a lot of work to do. We really need to finish this project before they deliver our new shed, and so that we can get back to finishing up our cabin. I miss working on that cabin, so hope we finish it today.
Okay, here we go. I don't like the way the angle looks on this one, baby. The ones coming up are very dead. I am wrapping the tree up here, double hook it on the winch so that when my wife backs up, she can start dragging this tree off. We'll get it all off of here. So let's see here. Let me have a little more winch, baby. Have enough winch. Okay, tighten up on it. All right. Now, go ahead and try to pull it. Hold on, let me get my stuff out of here. Will you, hey, babe. Go ahead. All right, let's see. Take it off now?
Good now?
Yeah. Come on. You winch? Say that again, baby.
Pick that up now with the tractor.
All right, I can do that. Let me get this off of here. All right, let me get this off of here.
Getting deeper and deeper.
Yes, baby.
We're crazy.
No, not at all. All right, I gotta lift this up to get it out. Let me get my tractor. I am going to grab the tractor and lift up this tree we just drug out so I can get my sling off of it. Then I'm gonna pick up these pieces and move them out of the way. So bear with me here, guys. Okay, my wife did a great job dragging them out. Now we're gonna get my sling out of here. Got it. I'm gonna set it back here in my backhoe so that I get to the other side without having to go back and get it. So now, let my wife move out of the way, and I'm gonna drop this tree on the other side of the pink rope over here. I got an idea, baby. have an idea, baby. The next one we drop, before you drag it out, I'm gonna pick it up and put it in the jaws of the grapple as a cradle just to hold it up as you're dragging it out.
When you lift it up, you guide it while I'm pulling.
Yep. Let me put the pallets back on top.
Having this will protect it, you know.
Now that's one stump I don't have to cut. It brought it right out of the ground.
What are your thoughts on having it angled to the ground so
What's
the
that?
tree would
Fall and slide off? Yeah, let's try that. I think that's a good idea. Angle them all.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll fall off away from it.
And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put myself a little bit further in.
All right, guys, let me tie off tree number 3. We'll pull the winch out as far as possible. I think it'll reach it though. Let me set this back. All right, let's go ahead and get your winch. Down to 3. Come on, let's get your winch. When it comes down, then we can reposition your side-by-sides closer to it. But in the meantime, you can drive forward. You gotta wait till I start pulling it, okay? Turn your wheel. No, not that way. Straight toward me. All right, that's good. That's good. Okay. Here we go.
Wow, we have accomplished a lot today. We're making great progress. We're clearing out this area in preparation for our shed delivery. Whew, what a day. Be on the lookout for our next video. Remember, Calicut's Go Country.